In this lecture, we will try to understand display of circular linked list. There is a structure whose name is node, struct space structure name is node, in which we have two fields, information field and link field. This structure we already discussed in previous lecture. In which lecture it is discussed in the creation of circular linked list, isn't it? Here last is a pointer. Main, which indicates beginning of your C program. As usual, choice n, m, po, comma I, all are integer type variables. Last equal to null. This last is a pointer variable where we are keeping null. Clear screen means which will clear the output screen. While 1 means what? While 1 means it's an infinite while loop. We will enter inside the while loop. 1 dot create list, 2 dot add at beginning, 3 dot add after, 4 dot delete, 5 dot display, 6 dot quit. Enter your choice. After displaying this message, let me say I entered number 5. If I enter number 5, that number 5 will get stored in the place of 5. That is choice 5, switch choice, switch 5. Switch 5 means case 5. Case 5 means display function. This is function call or calling function. Automatically control will transfer. Where will it transfer? Here it will transfer. There are two cases. In case 1, if you want to display elements in empty linked list, empty circular linked list, empty circular linked list, it cannot display elements. Let me discuss case 1. What happens in case 1? Display, we will enter inside struct node star q. Q is a pointer variable whose data type is struct node. If last equal to null. What is last value? It is initialized with null. Therefore, null equal to null. It's true. Since it's a relational operator, it is true. We will enter inside if block, list is empty. Return. Return means again where will you go? You will go back. Where will you go back? You will go back to the break. Therefore, you will come out of this switch. Means what will it display? List is empty. This is case 1. Case 1 means without creating circular linked list, it display a message which says list is empty. Now we will try to display elements of case 2. Case 2 means, let me assume this one is created circular linked list. How will it be? As usual, while 1, here last means what? Here, this one, there is a pointer variable known as last. Let me write here, last is a pointer variable which always holds address of the last node in circular linked list. What is last node address here? 4000. Therefore, last is a pointer variable which will point to the last node. This must be the case, isn't it? Yes. If you want to display elements of this particular circular linked list, just see while 1, as usual, it is a menu driven program. Enter your choice. Let me say I entered number 5. That number 5 will get stored in the place of choice. Switch choice means switch 5, case 5, display. Display means where will I go? Here I must go, isn't it? This must be the function. Display struct node star q if last equal to null. What is my last value? 4000. 4000 equal to null. Is it true? It's not true. This particular block will be skipped. Now where will you go? Q equal to last arrow link. What does it mean? Q equal to last arrow link. What is the meaning of this particular statement? Q equal to, what is last? Last is a pointer variable where we can store address of last node in the circular linked list. Here last is 4000. This is 4000 link. What is 4000 link? 4000 link is, this one is 4000. Where is, this is 4000. Whose link? This is link field, that is 1000. Therefore, Q equal to 1000. Therefore, let me write, where will I write? Otherwise, let me keep like this. Q equal to, how will it be? Otherwise, let me write Q equal to 1000. Automatically, where will it point? It will point to the first node. Means we are collecting first node address. How can I get first node address? First node address always stores in last node's link field. Last node address is stored in last pointer. Last pointer means last node address field is 1000. That 1000 we are keeping in Q. Therefore, Q equal to 1000. Now, where will I go? Print a percentage Q arrow info. What is my Q value? Q value is 1000, isn't it? Here, what is Q? Q is 1000. 1000 info. 1000 info means what? 1000 info field is 10. Therefore, first number will be displayed 10. Isn't it? Now, where will you go? Q equal to Q arrow link. What is the meaning of Q equal to Q arrow link? Q equal to Q arrow link. Q equal to Q. What is my Q value? 1000. 1000 link means I can write it as 2000. Therefore, this will be updated with 2000. Where will it point? It will point to this node, isn't it? 2000. Now, since it's a while loop, we will go back. What is Q value? 2000. 2000 not equal last. What is my last value? Last is 4000. 2000 not equal to 4000. True. Print a percentage Q arrow info. What is my Q value? 2000. What is 2000 info? 2000 info means 20. First field is info field. Second field is link field. 2000 info means 20. After 10, that number 20 will be displayed. Now, where will you go? Q equal to Q arrow link. Q equal to Q arrow link. Q arrow link. What does it mean? Q equal to Q means 2000. What is 2000 link? 2000 link. What is 2000 link? 2000 link is 3000. Therefore, it must be 3000. Therefore, Q equal to 3000. Isn't it? Q equal to 3000. This must be 3000. Where will it point? It will point to this node. Again, where will I go? 3000 not equal last. What is my last? Last is 4000. 3000 not equal 4000. True. Print a percentage Q arrow info. What is my Q value? 3000. What is 3000 info? 3000 info is 30. This is info field, isn't it? Info. 3000 info is 30. Number 30 will get displayed here. Isn't it? Q equal to Q arrow link. What is the meaning of Q equal to Q arrow link? Q equal to Q arrow link. 3000 link. What is 3000 link? 4000. Again, where will you go? We will go to the beginning of file. Q. Q means what? 4000. Last means 4000. 4000 not equal 4000. False. We will come outside of this particular while loop. Last arrow info. What is my last? 4000. What is 4000 info? 4000 info is 40. Therefore, number 40 will be displayed. Isn't it? 4000 info. Last means what? 4000 info. End of the display. After this particular function, where will it go? It will go to the break, and which will come out of this particular switch statement. This is about display of circular linked list. Thank you.